Morning, students. Today we'll go with the last topic of this particular chapter, that is sets. The topic is practical problems on union and intersection of two sets. Okay, so we'll go with the first formula, that is let A and B are two sets. Okay, then n of A union B, that is nothing but, you all know now, that number of A union B, that is the elements in this set A union B, number of elements in this set, is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. This you have to remember. Second one, if A intersection B is equals to 5, okay, then number of A intersection will be, if A intersection B is the null set, then number of A intersection B is nothing but 0. Okay, so if I substitute this in this particular formula, then what I will get is, therefore number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B. Why? Because this term is 0 as it is 5. Okay, so that is the second formula. Now number 3, number of A dash intersection B dash is equals to nothing but number of A union B the whole dash is equals to number of U minus number of A union B. Okay, now this was the matter of two sets. Now if I have three sets, for example, let A, B and C are three sets, then number of A union B union C is equals to nothing but number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of C intersection A plus number of A intersection B intersection C. This formula you have to remember. Clear? So these are the three formulas that we have to you have to keep in mind. Let A and B are two sets, then the formula will be number of A union B is equals to number of this particular set A plus number of B minus the number of intersection of both the sets. If A intersection B is 5, then number of A intersection B will be 0. So this formula will be nothing but number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B plus 0. That means this, we are not writing that. And at last, number of A dash intersection B dash is equals to number of A union B the whole dash is equals to nothing but number of U minus number of A union B. And if three sets are given, A, B and C, then number of A union B union C is nothing but number of A, number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of C intersection A plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Now let us see some examples. First example, you have to read the first example, that is, if X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements, X has 28 elements, Y has 32 elements, then how many elements does X intersection Y have? Now let us try this example. Number 1, what are the things I am having? Number of X union Y is equals to 50. Number of X is equals to 28. Number of Y is equals to 32. Then what I have to find? Number of X intersection Y. Clear? So the solution will be number of, we have that formula, X union Y is equals to number of X plus number of y minus number of x intersection y. Now I have number of x in y, that is 50, is equals to number of x is 28 plus number of y is 32 minus number of x intersection y. Therefore, I want x intersection y, so I will make as a subject. So number of x intersection y is equals to 60 minus 50 is equals to 10. In Venn diagram, you can show like this. This is universal set. This is x, y. Now, union is having total 50 elements. So I will arrange that 50 elements so that x intersection y will be 10. So this part will be 10. This is nothing but number of x intersection y. Okay. Now 10 I have used over here. So how many elements will be there of y? That will be of 22, because 22 plus common 10, 22 plus 10, that will be 32. So total numbers set over here. Now number of x, total elements are 28, but 10 I have given over here. This is 10. So how many elements will be there? 18. 18 plus 10 is 28. So 10 is the common elements of both this. That is called the intersection. So you can show this Venn diagram. Okay. Now let us see the second example. Second example is, in a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football also. Each student like to play at least one of the two games. Then how many students like to play both cricket and football? Okay. So I will start solution as let A like to play, set A like to play cricket, set B like to play football, and how many things are given? Number of A union B is equals to 35, because in a class of 35 students it was given like that. The number of A is equals to 24, number of B is equals to 16. Therefore, what is number of A intersection B now? Okay. So I will start like number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Union is given, that is 35, is equals to number of A is 24 plus number of B is 16 minus number of A intersection B. Therefore, number of A intersection B is equals to 40 minus 35 is equals to nothing but 5. Therefore, 5 students like to play both the games, that is cricket and football. Okay. Now excuse me. Number 3, question number 3. It is given that in a survey of 100 persons, it was found that 28 read magazine A, 30 read magazine B, 32 read magazine C, 8 read magazine A and B, 10 read magazine A and C, 5 read magazine B and C, and 3 read all 3 magazines. Then what I have to find? Number 1, how many read none of the three magazines, and number 2, how many read magazine C only. Okay, so let us start with that example. Solution is total number of persons is equals to 100. What is given? Number of u is equals to 100, because total numbers are given, total number of persons are given, that is our universal set. So number of u is equals to 100. Number of a is equals to 28. Number of b is equals to, I will take 30. Number of c is equals to 42. Number of a intersection b is equals to 8. Number of b intersection c is equals to 5. Number of a intersection c is equals to 10. And number of a intersection b intersection c is equals to 3, because it was given that three read magazine all A, B and C. So this is the intersection part. Now you will have you get the idea which formula we will use over here. Now I will find first number of, everything is given here, so I will use that formula. Number of A union B union C. Okay. Now over here, first of all I will take number of A is nothing but 28 minus 15 is equals to, you will get 13. Why? With this information, or you can write number of A intersection B intersection C is equals to 3. Number of B intersection C is equals to 5. Number of A intersection C is equals to 10. And last number of A intersection B is equals to 8. So this one will be 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Okay, because it is given B intersection C. The next is 10, that is 7 plus 3. So you will get 10 over here. And this one is 8 as 5 plus 3. So you will get 8 over here. So number of A is equals to 28 minus 15. You will get 13. Number of B, 30 minus 10 is equals to 20. Number of C, that is 42 minus 12, you will get 30. So 28 plus 22 plus 30 is equals to 80. That is, total number is 100. So number of U is equals to 100 is nothing but 80 plus 20. Therefore, number 1, 20 persons do not read any magazine, and number 2, 30% read C magazine only. Or let's see this example in one easier method, with easy method. What is given? Total number of persons are 100. Therefore, number of U is 100. Number of A is equals to 28. I am using Venn diagram here. That will be easier for you all to get the answer. Number of B is equals to 30. Number of C is equals to 42. Number of A intersection B is equals to 8. Number of B intersection C is equals to 5. number of A intersection C is equals to 10, and number of A intersection B intersection C is equals to 3. Okay, now I will draw the Venn diagram first. Or let me take a bigger part. Okay, this is U, A, B and C. Now it is given here A intersection B intersection C, that is the common part of three sets, 3. So I will put this intersection of A, B and C, the smaller part, this one, 3. Okay, so I will write that number of A intersection B intersection C is equals to 3. Next I will check for the number of B intersection C. Now it is given number of B intersection C is equals to 5, but 3 I have already used here. Okay, so how many common things will be there between B and C? That will be 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so B intersection C is 5, so I will write like this: number of B intersection C is equals to 5. How? That is 3 plus 2. Next is number of A intersection C. What is given? A intersection C is given 10. So between A and C, 3 I have used here, so remaining elements will be 7 between A and C, common elements. So I will write 10 over here, but how? 7 plus 3, because 3 I have already used here, so that is 7 plus 3. Next is number of A intersection B. This is given as 8. Okay, so 3 I have already used here, so how many elements are remaining? That is 5. So this we have put it. Number of A intersection B intersection C, that is the common of all 3, that means the smaller part of this Venn diagram is 3. B intersection C is total is 5, but 3 I have already used here, so remaining is 2, so this is common, 3 plus 2, 5. Similarly A intersection C is 10, but 3 I have already used here, so I will put 7 over here. And at last A intersection A intersection B, that is 8. 3 I have used here, so 5 you have to put over here. Now in number of A, how many elements are there? 28. So common portion of A, this and this, that is 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. So I will subtract 28 minus 15 is equals to 13. So you have to put 13 over here. Now add this: 13 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7, you will get 28. So this is the entire number of A, that is 28. Clear? Number of B is given 30. B, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 30 minus 10, you will get 20. So I will write 20 over here. Now add this: 20 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2, you will get total number as 30. Okay, next I will write number of C. How many elements are there in number of C? It is given that 42. Now 7 plus 3 plus 2, that is nothing but the 12. So you will get 30. So I will write 30 over here. These points. Okay. So now add this: 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 30. you will get total as 42. The number we have given, number of C is 42 over here. Now it is given that we have survey of 100 people. Okay, so if you will add all these numbers, that will be 80. Okay, so how many remaining? 20. This is my universal set. 20 numbers are remaining, so I will write over here, and 80 I have used in this particular sets A, B and C. So total 80 plus 20, you will get 100. Okay, so now my question was, how many read none of the three magazines? So these are the 20%, because we have taken survey of 100 persons. 80 are reading some or some newspapers, but 20 are reading none of the newspaper. So I will write 20 persons do not read any magazine. And number 2, how many read magazine C only? Magazine C only. Okay, so 7 will not be there, 2 will not be there. Why? Because this is the common part. These are the persons reading magazine A and C both. These are the person reading magazine B and C both. So only C magazine will be of 30 persons read C only. Okay, one more time let me explain you. Total we have taken survey of 100 person. So number of U is 100, number of A is given 28, number of B is given 30, number of C is given 42, A intersection B is 8, number of B intersection C is 5, number of A intersection C is 10, and number of A intersection C is 3. So this example you can solve easily by the Venn diagram. So over here, first of all, I am taking universal set. This is set A, B and C. Now I am writing number of A intersection B intersection C. This means the smallest part of, or smallest common part of this three sets, that is 3. So I will write 3 over here. Then B intersection C. This is the area of B intersection C, but 3 I have used here. So out of 5 I will subtract 3, so you will get 2 over here. Next is A intersection C. Total is 10, but 3 I have used here, so I will write 7 over here. And the last is A intersection B, that is 8, but 3 I have used here, so 5. So this is 5 plus 3. This is the A intersection B. Now next, this turn of these 3 things. So over here, number of A is 28. Okay, now I will add all 3, so you will get 15. So if I subtract 15 from 28, I will get 13. So in A you will write 13. The number of B total is given 30. If I add 3, then I will get 10. So you will get 20. So I will write 20 over here in this particular set. Number of C is over here 42. Minus, add the C. So you will get 12. So total you will get 30 over here. So now I can say the numbers I have used over here are 80. Remaining numbers out of 100 is 20. So 20 persons do not read any magazine, because these are the numbers, these are the list of the people which read magazine A, either magazine B or C, or A intersection B or B intersection C, anything. Okay, so 20 people will be there who do not read any magazine. And the how many read magazine C only? So over here It is clear? 30. So 30 persons read magazine C only. So we have completed our chapter sets over here. We'll begin with the next chapter. Till now, thank you so much.